taking care of you with no problem, huh? You guys feel safe, right? Okay, I'm going to take that spit bubble, Leslie. Yeah, I do. Okay, let's get rid of this dirty diaper, Leslie. I'll stay up with a nice clean one. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. I just have to clean that up, okay? Because let's face it, we're at Monica's. I broke it. All right. Well, that's just the way things go. Okay. Good. Why are there only two of you? Where's Leslie? Well, you can't answer. Leslie? Where are you, Leslie? Leslie, now would be a good time for your first words. Well, look at you. Hey, you are a little bit mischievous. My gosh. Oh, you're a lot mischievous. Well, it'll dry. Okay, you sit with your brother and sister now, who aren't there.